If you could count all of the stars in the heavens above, or all of the grains of sand upon the earth under your feet, you would then know how much more valuable you are than the total sum of the two. You are a miracle in motion, and a miracle is an event that is so unlikely that it is almost impossible. The chances of you being born as you, this very specific human being that you are, has been scientifically calculated to be 1 in 400 trillion. That's 1 in 400, followed by 12 zeros after it. So we all certainly have a very good reason to celebrate you on your special day, your birthday.